Did you put googly eyes on the Roomba?
Yeah, I like to look someone in the eyes as they clean for me. It's a power thing. Gets me off. Stan! Valentine's is in for another 2 days.
No, I just wanted some chocolate, and they only sold them in that box at Hershey Park.
You went to Hershey Park without me?
Yeah, someone told me about it. Sounded cool.
That was me! For years I've been telling you I want to go there.
Well, now I know why, because that place is awesome. Milk Chocolate World is great. I loved White World. Didn't care so much for Dark World.
Stan, Francine, look at me go! Nein. Nein, Roomba!
Yumi! Sagaga! I have not remotely understood one of these Japanese games.
Can we just play a normal game?
Hide and go pee!
Barry, no!
Dead lady!
What is that?
She tastes like a ball gag!
Oh my God, her mouth opens.
Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking?
Shot for shot remake of the movie Mannequin!
Boys, you found Erica.
Mr. Yoshida, can we borrow your mannequin?
Yes, it's a mannequin. Of course you boys can use this mannequin.
Thanks!
Is it clean?
You know it's not clean.
Ow!
Sorry, I started sleeping on my side, so I need a pillow between my legs. Night!
Stan, I feel like you've been taking me for granted lately. You take my pillow, you go to Hershey Park without me. You always put yourself first.
Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Tomorrow morning, you'll be served breakfast in bed. Like a queen or a quadriplegic.
Really?
For really reals.
Maybe I should work up an appetite.
Sorry, I have to wake up early tomorrow to make you breakfast. Oh, spider bite. Itchy spider bite. Oh my God, it's so itchy. So itchy, Jane Seymour. So... Got it.
Bacon. What happened to breakfast in bed?
I know, and what happened to dressing up on airplanes and handwritten